Beauty tips for hand. Since our hands since our hands are used to carry out most of the chores, they need to pampering and releasing to look nice and smooth. Listen are 10 short ways to get those beautiful looking hands. Here we present you the simplest and best beauty tips for hands that you can easily follow at home. 10 simple beauty tips for hands. Check out here what the basic steps you need to follow to get beautiful and soft hands. Moisturize your hand. Use a good quality hand moisturizer and apply on hand at least thrice a day after you have washed it thoroughly. In the summers, use a light non-greasy moisturizer, and in the winter opt for something heavier like body butter. Winter tend to dry out the skin, so you can do with the extra moisturizing. Second, pamper the hands. Indulge in a manicure at least once a month. With a manicure, your hand get cleaned, actually exfoliated and massaged. It's through nourishment that your hands get. 3. Wash your hand. When you wash your hand, ensure that you wash your hand in lukewarm water all year round. Too hot water or too cold water tends to damage the skin. Never use normal dish soap because it is harsh on the skin and it also dries the skin easily. 4. Scrub. Scrub your hand at least once a week with a good exfoliating agent to get rid of any dead skin. No time to boil one. Make one at home. Take a teaspoon each of fine sugar and olive oil and mix it well with the juice of half a lime. If you want to try something different, add one drop of your favorite EO and you are done. You have your homemade exfoliating scrub ready. Tip: you can use this scrub without the olive oil too. If you have used the oil, wash your hands with a mild soap and lukewarm water. If you have used it without the olive oil, just rinse your hand in lukewarm water and pat dry. Message: massage your hands at night for at least 5 minutes to let the goodness of the moisturizing soak in. For every rough hands, mix your moisturizer with a bit of Vaseline so that they are protected all through the night. 6. Protect your hand. When you are washing dishes, gardening, or carrying out any chore that allows your hands to interact with chemicals, gears, or dirt, ensure that you are wearing rubber gloves to protect your hand. File and trim. When you file your nails, file them in one direction rather than a C-section. A C-section can separate the layer of the nails, and if water finds its way between those nail layers, it can lead to nail peeling. Trim your nails at least once in 2 weeks or as required. 8. Paint your nails. When you paint your nails, always use a base coat so that your nails are not stained. Using a base coat while also help the nail polish last longer. 9. Protect your cuttles. Use a good quality cuticle cream or oil to prevent the cuticles from rotting out or drying. Looking for an alternative you can do at home. Apply a few drops of glycerin to your hands overnight at least twice a week and wash off with lukewarm water in the morning. You will wake up with softer hands. 8. Eat right. What you eat is very important. Protein, vitamin B, vitamin E supplements should be a part of your diet to get healthy, strong nails and to keep your hands supple and soft. Hope you like your post on beauty tips for hands. Please let us know for feedback. Now, next beauty tips for feet. We all wish to have feet just as soft and smooth as a baby. These days, it is believed that going to parlors for regular pedicure will make our feet beautiful, but the truth is that pedicure can help to only some extent. The best foot care can be done only when you follow a foot care remedy dedicatedly. So, first, for treating cracked heels. The most common problem affecting feet is cracked heels. The best way to heal them tough is to look into your kitchen. To, to say goodbye cracked heels, just create a mixture by heating the candle wax with equal amount of mustard oil so that it emerges as a thick concoction. Fill your cat with it to wave off your worries. You can also prepare a mixture by adding liquid in a 2 liters of warm water. Now soak your feet in it for 10 minutes. Scrub off the dead skin using pumice stone and rinse off with warm water after your feet get dry. Massage using a moisturizing cream and sleep with cotton sock on overnight to get ram ready feet the very next morning. Second, for fair and dry feet. We all usually apply various face packs to have fair and dry skin. Similarly, with simple homemade packs, we can have beautiful fair and dry feet as well. For making your feet fair and dry, prepare a mixture containing equal amount of glycerin, rose water, and lemon juice. Now apply this after thoroughly washing your feet and rinse off to reveal fairer and brighter look. Pause. Third, for daily care. To have naturally beautiful feet, you require regular care. Wash your feet daily if possible, then twice a day at the beginning and end of the day. You can add aloe vera gel to your daily foot care remedies. It can do wonder for your feet. Rub your feet with this gel to make them ultra soft. Fourth, for releasing your feet. Just like our body, our feet to require relaxation. Take a brisk walk on the green grass of any nearby park. This is sure to improve the quality of your vision as well as provide a refreshing flow of nature to your feet. Another tips is you should also avoid hanging your legs for a longer duration as it may result into restrictive blood circulation. You may also try relaxation your leg muscles by placing them onto a pillow while 5. For removing dead skin. The easiest way to remove the dead skin cells from your feet is with the help of honey and lemon juice. Make a mixture of honey, milk, and lemon juice and dip your feet in it for 10 minutes daily. This will surely remove the dead skin from your feet, making them smooth and soft. 6. For getting rid of suntan. Suntan. Another common problem occurring with feet is staining. The best way to remove it is by applying either suntan cucumber or potato juice on your feet. Another tip shared by suntan can be removed quickly. Make the powder from dry orange peels and add some milk to make the paste. Add some rose water to it and apply the pack for 20 minutes. Apply this pack thrice a week for quicker results. 7. For nourishing dry feet. Coconut oil is known to have many healing properties for those who have dry skin. Coconut oil is the choicest blessing of all. Apply the coconut oil at night or after daily bath. This will cover the dryness and will make your feet soft. Coconut oil has medicinal properties, hence making it beneficial for your body. The lauric acid present in the coconut oil helps in removing the infections and making feet more cleaner and softer. You can also replace coconut oil with olive oil. 8. For removing blackness. This is another great way for making feet beautiful and soft. It works wonders for blackened feet. Just before going to bed at night, wash your feet and apply Vaseline on them. And then cover it with a pair of white socks. Within 15 days, you will start feeling the difference yourself. 9. For hydrating our feet. This provides enough hydration needed by the skin of your feet. Smash a banana into a bowl and apply the layer of your feet. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash with cold water. Banana makes the skin soft and yields the hydration effect. They are known to enhancement to the health as well as the beauty of your feet. 10. Having snowy white feet. Ever wish to have snowy white feet? Eggs can help you in a great way. It contains lutein that helps hydrating your skin. Separate the egg white from the egg and whisk till it becomes the rich foam, and now apply it on your feet. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Let them make your feet more white and soft, as eggs tend to leave a bad smell behind. Wash with mild soap or body wash. This will also help in toning your skin. 8. You may like ridiculously simple natural remedies to get rid of smelly feet. Home remedies always work wonders to enhance your natural beauty. Just a few simple tricks can make you look up and feel like a princess. So go ahead and follow these home remedies to get naturally pretty feet. Have a happy feet time. Next, home remedies for beautiful skin. Table of contents. Home remedies for feet whitening. Raw milk, gram flour for whitening, potato for skin whitening, yogurt for feet whitening, lemon for whitening, aloe vera gel, sandalwood powder, alum for feet whitening, oil message, cucumber for feet whitening. Bonus beauty tips for feet whitening at home. Best feet whitening creams: Natura Almatra Coca and Mint Foot and Heel Balm. Yes, Rocher Foot Repair Balm. Next, let's start. Home remedies for feet whitening. Your feet are the first thing noticed by anyone you meet, but most of us ignore the fact we usually take extra care of the complexion of our face and completely neglected our feet. There are many reasons for dark, dry, and dull feet, such as dirt, pollution, sun exposure, medic- medications, etc. etc. Feet whitening is also important. Our feet take a lot of punishments. We squeeze them into uncomfortable shoes or high heels and rarely pamper them, which further results in heel pain, blisters, dryness, roughness, corns, and calluses. So our feet need special care. The beauty of feet is equally important and cannot be neglected. Here we have 10 amazing home remedies for feet whitening at home and best cream for hands and foot whitening. First, raw milk. Raw milk is the easiest and effective home remedy to whiten your skin. It acts as a whitening agent as it contains lactic acid. It also removes dead cells from the skin and also works as great moisturizer. Second, gram flour for whitening. Gram flour is another remedy packed with ample nutrient which removes the excess of oil and leaves your feet smooth and shiny. How to use? Make a pack by mixing 2 spoons flour with rose water. Apply this pack till it gets dry. Wash it off with normal water. Third, potato for skin whitening. Potato is a natural bleaching agent which turns your dark skin to the lighter one. It reduces pigmentation due to sun exposure and dirt. Pigmentation can be removed naturally. Here are amazing home remedies for pigmentation. How to use potato for whitening. Rub fresh potato slice along with the peel and wash after 10 minutes. 4. Yogurt for feet whitening. The mixture of yogurt and honey will improve your skin tone. How to use? Skin add half teaspoon of honey to 3 spoons of thick curd and massage on your feet. Massage on your feet. Wash it off after dry. See more. How to get dry skin on face naturally. 5. Lemon for whitening. Lemon is another bleaching agent to whitening your skin naturally. Application: cut a lemon in half, sprinkle a pinch of salt onto lemon and gently rub onto your feet. Salt will help in removing dead cells and lemon will brighten your skin. 6. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is multi-purpose and miraculous home remedy to feet whitening and softens your feet. How to use? Apply aloe vera gel on your feet and wash after a half an hour. 7. Sandalwood powder. Sandalwood is also a skin whitening agent. It will give cooling effect along with the skin. How to use for whitening. Mix 2 to 4 spoons of sandalwood powder with raw milk and apply this pack onto your feet for 20 minutes and wash off with normal water. 8. Alum for feet whitening. Alum is also skin whitening agent. How to apply alum? Take hot water in a bucket, add some alum powder, add milk, shampoo and soak your feet for 20 minutes. Gently rub your feet with brush and wash with clean water. Oil massage. 9. Oil massage. Everyday oil massage will work great on dry feet. It will not only moisturize but lighten your skin. How to use? Take olive oil or coconut oil, massage gently onto your feet for about 2 minutes and leave it overnight. 10. Cucumber for feet whitening. Cucumber has a cooling effect and also heals sunburns. How to use? Rub cucumber slicer onto your feet and wash after 10 to 15 minutes. Bonus beauty tips for feet whitening at home. Drink plenty of water every day. Have a healthy and balanced diet. Use sunscreen before going out. Clean your feet every day before going to bed. Don't use a lot of cosmetics. Daily exercise. Don't move out in the sun after bleaching. Sleep at least for 8 hours. Always take a pack test before applying any new cosmetic or remedy. Moisturize your feet every day. Cover your feet while out in sun. Do thanks, go quickly and follow these easy and simple tips to brighten your feet. Follow at least one home remedy every day to get the best result. These beauty tips are simple and low cost, which can be easily affordable by anybody. Instead of spending hours and money in the parlor, try these tips and go beautiful feet at home. Thank you. Pedicure at home in 5 easy steps. You will need nail clipper, cotton pads, nail polish remover, cuticle cream, a nail file, a loofah, a good foot scrub and moisturizer. Step 1. First, you need to trim and shape your nails. Remove your old nail polish with the nail polish remover and trim your nails neatly. Make sure you cut straight across and don't cut the corner too much, as this can lead to painful ingrown nails. Use a nail file to give them the desired shape. Step 2. Give your feet a nice foot bath in a basin or tub. Fill warm water enough to cover up to your ankles and add some bath salts. You can also add a few drops of any essential oil of your choice. Also add a few smooth pebbles to the water. This will provide a gentle massage as you place your feet on them. Soak your feet and relax 15 to 20 minutes. Dry them with a towel. Step 3. The next step is exfoliating. Once you are done with the foot bath, dry your feet and rub some cuticle cream on the base of each toenail. Leave it for a few minutes. In the meanwhile, using a foot scrub and remove all the dry and dead skin cells. Be firm, but don't scrap too hard. Next, rip off the cuticle, trim and push back the cuticle gently with a cuticle pusher. Step 4. Once you done scrubbing, wash your feet clean and moisturize. Then moisturizing helps soften, hydrate the skin and protects it from cracking. Rub a generous portion on your feet and massage well. Regular foot massage also helps keep nerve endings stimulated, improve blood circulation and nourish the skin and foot muscles. Step 5. Now your nails are ready to get decorated. Paint them with a color of your choice. Always apply a base coat. Wait for it to dry and then apply a coat of nail polish. Let it dry completely before you apply the next coat. This will make your nail polish last longer. You can also jazz your feet up with a pretty ankle or tie rings. The next, how to do pedicure at home with natural ingredients. Let's face it, our hectic schedule leaves us with little time for ourselves. We often neglect sparing a few minutes to take rest and let the body relax. The entire day go about running around meeting errands, and in the end we rarely do anything to reveal the tension that builds up our feet. Time like this calls for some pampering. So how to do pedicure in the comfort of our home? I sincerely believe that for a pair of beautiful legs, one must give equal importance to feet too. I have often seen women who make all the effort to be well dressed and well groomed, but then when it comes to their feet, they completely ignore them, because of which they are either sore or with chopped heels. It's a pity. So where do we start? Not many of you may be aware of the fact that our feet contain vital nerves that help in the functioning of the entire body, right from the spine to the heart and stomach. This is the reason why the Thai concept of acupressure massage is popular in relieving stress. Not only does it relax tired feels, but also heals parts of the body that are not working properly. Silky smooth and shapy legs are a dream come true, but it is not an easy task. For well-shaped legs and to tone of muscles, exercise is important. Cycling and swimming are great options, as well as certain yoga postures that help in strengthening the legs muscles. When it comes to grooming, there are difficult methods of removing unwanted hair like shaving creams, gels, waxing, etc. Personally, I feel waxing is still by far the best method of hair removal. The one rule you should always follow is the use an antiseptic could compress to whip the skin after waxing. I have seen the best spas and salons using hot towels to easily remove the wax from the skin, but it is important it disinfect the skin and close the pores that have been opened during waxing. Apply a moisturizer after waxing is Also just important for a perfect finish. How to take care of the feet. Dye pedicure. There is nothing quite as heavenly as well as a good pedicure. You can do it at home, but it really is never the same. However, if you still want a dye routine, put together the following list of items: pomade stone, nail brush, lofa file, nail cleaner, cuticles pusher, a heavy duty moisturizing cream, nail cutter, Acton herbal shampoo, lemon slices, tub of hot water, marigold flower, honey, and towels. Step by step guide. First, clean your nails with Acton and cut and file them according to the required length and shape. Second, massage a little cream or honey on the nails and dip into a tube of hot soapy water to which you have added some fresh lemon slices and marigold petals. Believe me, it makes all the difference and you will feel like a queen. Third, once the nails and skin have softened, clean the nail with the help of the brush and juice up pumice stones or dislodge dead skin on the heels. Pat dry and clean the nails with a cleaner and cuticle pushers. 4. Rub the lemon slices on the skin to remove tan and use a towel to pat dry. 5. Use the loofah to smooth out dead skin and mix through teaspoon each of honey and cream and massage well into the skin. Whip off with hot towels and you are done. Remedy for tired feet. If you have tired and itching feet and suffer from varicose veins, then the following food remedy will help. First, take 2 liters boiled water and add in 2 cups plain noodles. Leave 2 cups rose petals and 2 teaspoons peppermint oil. Second, massage the feet with castor oil and then soak them in this smoothing broth for about 10 minutes. Add marble or small pebbles in the tub and roll your heels on them to relax tired itching feet. 4. Dry briskly with a towel and rub into in a good lemon massage cream. 3. Cracked heels. I constantly receive requests for natural remedy for cracked heels, but honestly, one just has to be regular with the foot care program by using the loofah and keeping the foot well moisturized and clean at the all time. However, here are really easy remedy. Clean the feet well with a pumice stone and nail brush and pat dry. Second, massage the foot well with a heavy duty cream or sesame and sandalwood oil until the skin has absorbed most of it. Third, melt a candle in a double boiler and when slightly cool, brush it on the heels and allow it to solidify. This remedy is best followed at night. Put on cotton socks and go to bed in the morning. Remove the socks on In the morning, remove the socks and peel off the layers of wax. Follow it daily for a week and you will find a huge difference in the way your feet look and feel. Cheap nails. For those of you suffering from cheap nails, mix one teaspoon of gelatin with half of glass of water and drink it daily for 2 weeks. Besides this, keep the nails short and well trimmed. Strengthen the base. Long nails not only look half-full but can be quite painful in closed shoes. Let your nails let your nails break, and if at all they have turned yellow due to the regular use of nail color, please let them breathe. A quick tip: rub lemon slice on the toenails jelly and allow the juice to soak in. You will find them coming back to their natural healthy color in no time. Great tips for skin that naturally glows. Healthy, beautiful skin is only steps away. Find out how to make your skin glow naturally with these expert tips. How to get skin that glows naturally. Beauty, that saying goes, is only skin deep. But the importance of skin goes a lot deeper. Most of us think of skin as just our body's visible outer layers, but doctor considers skin an organ, meaning that it is very much alive and charged with many important duties. In particular, the skin is the first layer of our immune system, serving as a shield between you and legions of germs such as viruses and bacteria. It also protects your inside from sun, cold, moisturizer, scrubs, and cuts. And of course, with sense of touch is crucial for everyday function. Like any part of our internal body, your skin can be healthy or it can be well nourished or malnourished. It can be exercised and it can wear down with age or abuse. In particular, as we age, our skin becomes thinner and drier. Plus, other more unpleasant things happen to our skin, things like wrinkles, egg spots, dark circles, and large pores, which tend to turn up like uninvited guests at a wedding. While you can't control while you can't control your age, you can control numerous other factors that exploration this again aging process, including excessive exposure to sunlight, loss of estrogen during menopause, poor dietary habits, stress, and cigarette smoking. Unlike the other organs of our body, you can apply medicines, moisturizers, and other healthy portions directly to the skin for the season alone. There is absolutely no reason you can't have healthy, attractive skin throughout your life. To keep your skin and face young and healthy, and to maintain its natural protective moisturizer, follow these tips. Skip the long steaming shower and opt for shorter, cooler sprays. Long hot shower strips skin of its moisturizing and wash away protective oil, says Andrea Cambio, MD, a New York City dermatologist. So limit showers to 10 minutes and keep the water cool. Check the dryness of your skin by scratching a small area on your arm or leg with your fingernails. If it leaves a white mark, your skin is indeed dry and need both moisturize and exfoliation. That is removal of the outermost layer of dead skin cells. Treat your neck and chest like extension of your face. Your neck and upper chest area is covered by very sensitive skin, making it a prime spot for telltale signs of aging such as dryness, sunspot, and wrinkles. Say size Glavis, owner of Face Works Day Spa in Richmond, Virginia, and author of Hello Beautiful 365 Ways to Be Even More Beautiful. To keep these areas youthful, use facial cleansing creams that hydrate and cleansing gently rather than deodorant soaps, which can be drying. Top it all off with good facial moisturizing cream. If this area is extra dry, use a facial moisturizing mask twice a month. Take Take 160 milligrams of soy isoflavone per day or pure soy milk over your cilia. Soy consumption may support skin health by applying high quality protein needed for building and maintaining collagen, the material essential to connective tissues, say iron. Tabor MD, CEO and medical research director at Rival Roy in Kennersville, North Carolina. Radicals highly reactively molecules that can weaken or destroy cell or dry cell membrane. Free radicals increasing the risk of skin cancer. Good source of soy isolations include soy milk and tofu, fish, and next Lacta moisturizer that contains skin repairing humectants. In humectants, a new word for you. Humectants attract water when applied to your skin and improve its hydration. God ones include glycerin, propylene, glycol, and orilla. Also look for skin products that contain alpha hydroxy acid compounds that help reduce wrinkles and improve dry skin, acne, and age pores, which naturally occurs in grapes, apples, citrus, and sour milk. Work by speeding up the turnovers of old skin cells, making skin look younger. To treat dry, rough, itchy skin, try these paths at instructions. Half a pound of sea salt and 1 pound baking soda. Soak until the water is cool to detoxify your skin and soothe the itch. 2 cups Epsom salt. In addition to soaking in it while your skin is still wet, rub handfuls of Epsom salt on the rough areas of exfoliate skin. A few bags of your favorite tea. The tea provides antioxidants as well as a delicious scent. 1 cup uncooked oatmeal tied into an old stocking or muslin bag. Oats are not only wonderful for your inner health, say Glavis, but provide a healthy glow on the outside as well, leaving a film on your skin that sells in water. Equal parts of apple cider vinegars, wheat germs, and sesame oil. Apple cider vinegar is both antibacterial and alkalinizing, while sesame oil and wheat germs and add moisturizer. 1 cup powdered milk with 1 tablespoon graph pest oil. The lactic acid in the milk will exfoliate your skin, and graft oil will give your skin a powerful dose of antioxidants. Effective home remedies for hair fall. Some common triggers for hair fall. Genetic. Genetic is surely the worst reason for hair fall, since you can't really help it. If your mom lost a lot of hair, you will too. Ever heard of male or female pattern baldness? The hair loss is gradual and usually connected with age, but inevitable nonetheless. Hormonal. The hormones affect our hair growth drastically. Hair fall is one of the biggest indicators of menopause, hypo or hyperthyroid, pregnancy, and even birth control pills. If your hormones are fluctuating, chances are your hair will keep thinning. Stress. Did you know there? Did you know hair loss is a known symptom for PTSD? Anything that makes you constantly stressed will show its effect on your head. Don't be surprised if stress causes some of hair to fall off all at once. Worst part, the hair loss and the pre-existing stress make it a vicious loop. 4. Medications. Certain medications may cause side effects causing hair loss. Some blood thinners, antidepressants, cholesterol balancing drugs, etc. are common triggers for hair fall. 5. Nutrition deficiency. Are you anemic, or do you have a protein deficiency? Chances are your hair will tell you about its deficiencies of various minerals and vitamins such as iron, proteins, vitamin B12, B6, etc. may also cause excessive loss of hair. Immunity loss. Hair loss can also be a tragic symptom of autoimmune disease. If you are too vulnerable to colds and flus, you may find yourself on your path of baldness as well. Radiations. Radiation is chemotherapy and other forms to cause hair to fall off, not only from your head but other parts as well. The biggest drawback to this kind of hair loss is that radiation usually hampers hair growth as well. Tight hydrous. Thinking of getting cornered. While think again, tight hairdos such as cornrows or even stretchy buns and high ponytail can cause extreme hair fall. Getting extensions also pulls your hair tight too much, all of these leading up to a receding hairline. 10. Top 10 hair fall remedies. Done trying the best hair fall product out there, or visiting the costliest specialist on town. If nothing has worked out yet, maybe the answer to all your hair loss problems has been lying in your kitchen all this while. Time to dig through your cooking cabinets and make the most of these effective home remedies of hair fall. First, fenugreek hair mask. Remember when Ma used to forcefully plaster your scalp with the paste of methi seeds while you sat there with a grumpy face? Well, she was not wrong, honey. Probably the best solution for hair loss. You too can recreate the magic for of fenugreek at home. Soak them in water overnight, grind them to a paste of the magic of fenugreek at home. Soak them in water overnight, grind them to a paste the next morning and apply it to your hair and scalp. Seems like a task too heavy. Try the tutorial fenugreek hair oil for quick results. And second, egg hair mask. We know how tough bearing that odor can be, but once your nostrils get used to it, the rest of your path to thicker logs it pretty smooth, rich in sulfur, phosphorus, and protein. Eggs make for an excellent hair fall treatment at home. Mix one egg white with a teaspoon of olive oil and honey and apply the paste from root to teeth. Rinse after 20 minutes with the mild shampoo and easier way to provide egg essential nutrients to your name. Many hair is sticking to the avoid hair nutrients with egg oil. And the third, coconut hair spa. Do you know that the protein present in coconut milk rapidly promote hair growth? Probably one of the best natural remedies is for hair fall. All you gotta do you stop here thinning in its tracks is apply fresh coconut milk to your scalp, ideally with the help of a hairbrush. Keep your head recover in a towel for 20 minutes and then wash it off with water. Don't wanna take a route that lengthy. um, busy souls can swear by the Palmer's coconut oil formula deep conditioning protein pad. 4. Green tea rinse. The cup of tea that wakes up every morning can also bring back life of to your lymph deadlock. Here's how green tea can make for an excellent hair regrowth home treatment. Steep 2 to 3 tea bags in 2 cups of hot water. Now pour this cold coconut concoction over your hair and scalp while gently massaging at the roots before rinsing off with waters. I not got no time. The body shop was green tea, refreshingly purifying shampoo works equally well. And the 5, amla hair pack. Amla, or the Indian gooseberry, is rich in vitamin C and hence strengthens hair follicles like nobody business. One of the best natural hair loss treatment. This beauty also prevents premature graying, makes past of almond Mix a paste of amla powder and lime juice and apply it on your scalp. Avoid the mask from drying by covering your head with a shower cap and then wash it as usual. On another note, you could also use the Ayurvedic hair fall control oil with amla. 6. Aloe vera hair mask. Trust aloe to come to the rescue literally every time, apart from acting as an effective home remedy for hair loss. Aloe also boosts hair growth and improves the health of your scalp. Just extract the pulp of the plant and apply it directly to the scalp and the length of your tresses. This hair fall remedy work like magic. Keep it on for about 45 minutes before rinsing it with cold water. If that seems like a business too messy, try the Vedic line hair pack with aloe vera and jojoba oil for hassle-free applications. 7. Onion juice wash. Keep your goggles hand for this one. Onion juice extracted from its peel is highly noxious as it contains large doses of sulfur and vitamins E, C, and B complex. Onion juice not only helps your hair grow thicker and longer but keeps them shiny and healthy. Simply grind an onion and squeeze out its juice. Soak a cotton pad in the onion juice and dab your entire scalp with it. Once covered, massage your scalp for the juice to seep in and wash. If you want to save yourself from childlike whipping while peeling onions, go for Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Hair Oil. 8. Avocado Hair Mask. Scoop out the goodness from a fresh ripe avocado and whip it with a tablespoon of olive oil squeeze and a squeeze of lemon. Apply this paste onto your dry hair from the scalp to the roots. Wait for the 20 minutes and off uh, with rinse off with mild shampoo. P.S. Avocado is extremely rich in biotin, the vitamin that helps your hair and nails grow faster and mask them healthier. If the fruit is unavailable in your kitchen, opt for Godrej Professional Avocado Nourish Mask. 9. Sweet Almond Oil Hair Mask. Uh, Almonds are one of the richest source of magnesium which boost hair growth. Sweet almond oil, a natural extract of almonds, are high in the minerals along with the proteins like omega-3 and biotin. Mix 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil with 2 tablespoons of almond milk. Warm the coconut slightly and apply with a brush to your scalp and hair. Leave in for about 20 minutes, then massage into your hair and wash with your regular shampoo. Our favorite as ST Devance 100% pure and natural sweet almond oil that can get the job done as well. 10. Apple cider vinegar wash. Another big reason for hair loss is closed follicles. Hair follicles often get blocked with dirt, oil sectors from your scalp, and pollution, causing an obstructions to nutrients reaching your hair, thus leading to hair fall. Apple cider vinegar clear up your follicles and help maintain the natural moistures of your scalp. Just dose a shoot of apple cider vinegar in a bowl of lukewarm water with your wash your hair with it, massaging the scalp as you pour or keep it simple and try out wow skin sense apple cider vinegar shampoo. How to apply nail polish neatly. Applying neat even layers of nail polish is extremely tricky. Getting a clean and striped nail polish line takes practice, patience, and steady hand. If you happen to paint outside the line, you can always clean up your mistake. Prepare your nails for polish. Remove all polish from your nails in order to produce a neat and even manicure out your nails and cuticles if possible. Use a non-acetone nail polish remover or an acetone nail polish remover. Place a cotton swab or ball over the opening of your nail polish remover. Make sure it is completely covering the opening of the bottle. Tip the bottle up upside down and wait a few seconds for the cotton swab or ball to become saturated with the remover. Rub the saturated cotton swab or ball over your nails to remove the polish. Resaturate your cotton swab or ball as needed. Trim, file and smooth your nail. After removing your old nail polish, devote some time to clipping, shaping and buffing your nails. Locate nail clippers, emery board and gentle gripper. Use the clippers to trim your nails if needed. Smooth the edge of your nails with an emery board nail file. File your nails into a round, square or rounded square shape. Run over each nail with a slightly abrasive buffer to even out the surface of your nail. Now third, soak your hand in warm water. Once your nails are kept, shaped and buffed, water and a squirt of your gentle facial cleanser. Use a gentle body scrub to exfoliate your hands before soaking them. Submerge your hand in the warm, filthy water to remove the body scrub. Soak your hand for 3 minutes. Remove your hand from the basin and dry them on a clean towel. After soaking your hand, your cutter will be soft and easier to push back. Push back your cuticles. Don't do this if it starts really hurting, as this could cause cuticles are a part of your skin. They protect your nail matrix, the portion of the nails that grow from infection. Cutting your cuticles, leaving your nails matrix open the infections. It can also cause deformities in the nails such as rigid and discolorations. Instead of cutting your cuticles, push them back to give your nail an oval appearance. It also makes it easier to create a nail polish line. Use a cuticles pusher to carefully push the cuticles back towards your nail bed. Push in the side of the cuticle as I remove any dry or damaged skin. Repeat on the rest of your nails. Moisturize your cuticles and skin. After exfoliations your hand, it is important to massage this cream or lotion into your hands or apply some almond oil or some clear labeled cuticles oil and apply to your cuticles. This hydrate them and remaining white of their skin will properly get dealt with. 6. Remove oil and cases from your nails. If left on your nails, the oil from your hand, your fingernails with rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab or ball. Place a cotton swab or ball over the opening of the rubbing alcohol bottle. Keep the bottle upside down and wait a moment for the cotton swab or ball to become saturated with the rubbing alcohol. Place the bottom of the bottle on a flat surface. Shift the rubbing alcohol saturated cotton swab or ball over your nails to remove the oil. Repeat as needed. Using different tricks to keep your nail polish neat. Apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly around each nail before painting your nails. Before painting your nails, you can take measures to prevent the polish from drying outside the nails of your nails. You can achieve a perfectly neat mani every time by placing a thin layer of petroleum jelly around the edge of your nail. The oil from the Vaseline would serve as a barrier between your skin and the nail polish. Dip cotton bud into a jar of petroleum jelly. If you don't have Vaseline, you can use lotion. Sweep the cotton bud around the edge of each nail. Keep the cotton bud and petroleum jelly on your skin. Don't let either touch your nail. Pick out your polish and get ready to paint your nails. Second, apply a thin coat of white school glow around each nail petals to polishing your nails. If you struggle to paint inside the lines of your nails, you can take steps to ensure a swift and neat cleanup. Apply a thin coat of white school glow around the edge of your nails to create a neat, crisp polish line. The glow will protect your skin from the polish. Dip a cotton bud or brush into a bottle of white school glow. Use the cotton bud or brush to paint a thin, even layers of white school glow around the edge of each of your nails. Do your best to keep the edge of your nails wet for the glow to dry before you polish your nails. Third, wait to clean up your nails polish line. As you continue to improve at painting, you're applying a thin coat of petroleum jelly or white school glow. You may choose to clean up your nail polish lines after you have finished applying your polish and top coat. You can perfect your polish line with an old makeup brush and nail polish remover. This method requires a steady practice, hand and patience. You may also use a clean cotton bud dipped in nail polish remover. And painting and drying your nails. Apply a base coat to each nail and wait for it to dry. Base coat strengthen and protect your nails. The first layer of your manicure also extends the life of your polish. Coat each nail in a thin even layer of base coat. Allow the base coat to dry. Strip the polish on the inside of the bottle opening to remove excess base coat from the brush. While you should always use a base coat, it is especially important to use this product if your nails frequently chip, split or peel. The base coat will help you fortify your nails.